What's up, guys? So I just want to do a quick video, and I want to do it about this. Hopefully this focuses in. As you know, you probably know, if you follow me, you're probably following Scuba at beardtube as well. Scuba did this video, I think late last week, and it was entitled, "Please Watch and Help, Beard Struggle Scam." And what he's talking about that, if you haven't seen this video, I'll link it down below. I'll actually link both videos he's talking about down below. So Scoop did a video where he was testing some products, and he got in the Beard Struggle heated beard straightening brush, and it was over $100, and he found the exact same brush on Alibaba for literally like 10 bucks. It was the same everything except it didn't have the Beard Struggle logo on it, and it was a different color, but for all intents and purposes, it looked like the exact same brush. He tested both of them. They both worked exactly the same way. And his point was, don't spend over $100 on a brush that you can get on Alibaba for 10, or you can get something very similar on Amazon for 20 or 30 bucks. And he's got a good point. And you know, it's all about who can you trust and who not. And one of the things about Scuba is certainly he makes money from affiliate links, but he always tells us that he's doing so, and he only promotes products that he's tested and he knows are good, that he uses, and he kind of refers us and shows us some new companies that we may not know about. But the other thing about Beard Struggle is, and let me say first and foremost, I don't have anything against a company making money. I mean, that's what being in business is about. But when you're marking something up 1,000% and marketing the way they did it, I think that's kind of what Scoob was talking about. The other thing too is that Beard Struggle, it's interesting. If you go to their website, they've got some good products. Their beard oil looks good, all natural. Their beard balm looks good. It's a little at the higher end of the price range, but it looks like good stuff. I think the issue I have with it is when they advertise on social media and you know, Instagram and YouTube that their beard oil and beard balm will help you grow a beard faster, help you grow a thicker beard, help you grow a longer beard, and we know that's just not true. You know, there's some anecdotal evidence that things like minoxidil or finasteride will help your beard grow, although I will tell you, and I'll link it down below, there's a UCLA study that shows, while that may be true, they're both prescription medications, and they haven't been tested or approved for FDA use. You know, and then of course there's biotin. Biotin is a dietary supplement that can help some people grow hair, grow longer hair. It also helps your nails grow. It'll also make your back hair grow. Unfortunately, it doesn't make your head hair grow, or I'd have a full head of hair. So there haven't been any double-blind controlled studies on biotin that I have seen. But I've only done a cursory search. I'm going to look into that and see what I can find. So when I talk about the advertising, companies saying that their products will help your beard grow thicker, longer, faster, if they're talking about an application on the beard oil, beard balm, beard butter, beard grease, whatever, it's just flat out not true. And we know that. But anyway, I just wanted to put this video up because one of the things that Scuba talks about, if you look at his second video, is that once he did his video, Beard Struggle, then it looked like flooded YouTube with a bunch of positive reviews on the brush. Now, since then, the brush is showing out of stock on their website, so I'm not sure what all has played out there. But the interesting thing is, I think they probably make good oil and balm, but the question is, can you trust? What's the trust level there after the deal with the heated beard straightener? I don't know. It's up for you guys to decide. But anyway, post your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think if you know about the situation, or if you've tried their products, let me know. Just curious about what you guys think. Again, I'm going to keep this one short. I appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.